Welcome to Section 2 of our Facebook Marketing 3.0 video training, Marketing on Facebook, Step by Step. In this section, we'll talk about creating a Facebook account, Facebook pages, Facebook ads, Messenger for Business, Instagram, Audience Network, and Atlas. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Creating a Facebook account. While it may seem simple to create an account on Facebook, there are a number of questions and terms that you should be aware of when going through the short process. When you first come to the Facebook entry page, you'll see that the option to create an account has already been provided for you. In order to begin making your account, you'll be asked to provide your first name, last name, mobile number and email, a password, date of birth, and gender. If you look closely at the fine print, there will be 4 highlighted links just above the green Create Account button. They are, why do I need to provide my birthday, terms, data policy, and cookie use. It is important to take your time and read these highlighted terms because they provide valuable information for your account. Why do I need to provide my birthday? The reason Facebook wants you to enter your date of birth into your account stretches beyond having your friends sending you birthday messages. Facebook uses complex algorithms to decide how your given age will affect your Facebook experience. Let's say that you are a middle-aged man looking to reconnect with old friends from high school. When people you may know is presented in your Facebook feed, you are not going to want a long list of teenagers showing up in your feed. Using your entered age, Facebook can determine, based on your location, the types of people that will most likely be appropriate to show up in your feed. Terms. It is safe to say that no one enjoys reading the extensive terms of service every time they sign up for a program or service. But that does not mean you should skip it over. While it is more than impossible to read through every single clause and subheading in the terms of service, a quick skim through it can provide you with more than a basic understanding of what to do and what not to do with your Facebook account. It provides quality information on privacy, content sharing, safety, account security, payments, and other information. Data policy. Looking through the terms of service, you may see a hyperlink to something known as a data policy. In short, this is referring to Facebook's right, upon your acceptance of the terms of service, to collect data that you provide with your account. Now, Facebook does not use the information you provide for ill purposes. Facebook uses your information to help promote safety and security in your online environment and create a stronger sense of communication between you and the website. Cookie policy. If you didn't know, cookies are small tidbits of data used to store information on web browsers. By accepting the terms of service when creating your account, you are also giving permission to Facebook to store and use these cookies. This does not mean you are not in control of what information Facebook stores. Once you have made your account, there are settings you can choose from to change how Facebook stores cookies and what ads are provided to you. Go ahead and click the green Create Account button. Doing so will prompt you to verify the phone number or email account that you provided. Once this is done, you'll be able to customize your account and create a page on Facebook for your company or brand by going to the top right corner of the home page or by returning to the Create Account page and clicking on Create a Page at the bottom of the screen.